Alright, outdoors with Clay. So I'm in Carolina Beach, North Carolina, surf fishing. So I have my setup here, I'll show you in a second. Here's my setup. So I have a pompano rig with shrimp on both of them. One of the hooks is a 1/0 hook and the other one is a 2/0 hook. And see, look at the structure. There's a sandbar right here and then it drops off. Sandbar out here. So I'm trying to throw in between those sandbars in the, I think it's called a, I've heard it called a trowel. I've also heard it called a trough. So, I don't know. But the tide is going out. I got all my stuff. I've caught 3 fish. But I went to Walmart, got these micro shrimp for $5. I was keeping my fish in here. But I had them taken up. But, catching more fish. I don't have my GoPro, so but I can show you all the fish I caught. I actually put this right there. I'll put all of them. So far I've caught 3 pufferfish and 1 red drum. So I mean, I'm doing pretty good. Yesterday I was doing pretty bad. I'm getting a bite right now. And if we're catching one, or if I catch one, I can show y'all. Red drum I caught, it was, I believe, holy crap, the tide came up. Y'all probably saw that behind me, but it came up way close. Or the wave, whatever. So, the red drum, I believe it was 13 inches. It was 1 pound and 2 ounces. The pufferfish, I caught one that was 15 ounces, 9 inches. I caught one that was 3 ounces and 9.5 inches. Only one of them blew up. It was actually really cool. But you have to be careful. These ones I don't think so. I do not think they're toxic or have toxins, but could be wrong. I know how to flay them either way, so I'm gonna do that later and I'll show a video of it and we'll cook them and eat them. The only reason I kept the fish that I did, it got gut hooked and it started bleeding out. I tried to let it back in the water and it just washed back up on shore, so I decided to keep it. Let me catch a fish, boys. This can be done. Alright, so got the fish. Now it's down to filleting that fish. Stuck it in this bag earlier. Oh, I forgot I have to get the scaler. So let me go do that. Alright, so I did put it in the freezer from this morning. Because, oh yeah. Put it in the freezer this morning, obviously, to keep it fresh. But, scale it now. So you have your knife, obviously. Make sure it's sharpened. You have your sharpener. You have your fillet knife. Just gonna go through like that, both sides. I did this before the video, so. Warning: viewer discretion is advised. Some viewers may find the following content disturbing. So we don't need to do it now. So you want to kind of go right here, because this is all meat right here. So you kind of want to pull this up and just, you know, put your knife down. I found that back one right here. I just want to wiggle. Alright, and I'm going to try to, so I found that back bro. I'll get back when I'm done. Anyway, we have our first fillet. So I'm going to leave the skin on and I'll just wash it. It'll give it a bit of extra flavor. And then I'm going to fillet the other side, cut off the head, and we'll be good. Alright. Here we have our puffer fish. This is the meat, but there's like a little covering, I guess, and you have to take that off. But so there's the puffer fish. Here's the skin, right? And you want to cut the head, and then you want to get a pair of scissors and start cutting around and get this, because this is the meat. You don't want to eat anything under this. You don't want to eat this. The brain is poisonous, the liver, the heart. You just want to eat this part of meat right here. So let me get that off. But this is what it looks like right now. Puffer fish. Obviously we had the fillets. All right, let's get her done. All right, so this is really messy. Look at this thing's teeth. It's so funny. And their eyes are like a turquoise. It's really adorable, but looks kind of nasty. But those teeth are hilarious. But we have, this is the puffer fish fillet. You don't get much meat off of them. This was actually a pretty big one. It was almost a whole pound. And then here's the fillets, obviously. So let's put them in the bag, put all the seasonings on them, and then put them in the bag and get her done. All right, so we got the fillets of both the puffer fish and the red drum. So now I have my bag. I don't have any like liquid marinade. Put them in the bag and they'll just like kind of absorb into the meat, because most of this meat actually is pretty juicy. That smells good. It is New Year's right now, so I'm gonna go fishing for a little, see if I can catch anything else. If I do, I'll fillet those. If I don't, then I'll go fishing later. A little bit of salt. Pepper. And I'll just do that on the top. And then I'll just take it, put it in the bag. Got a little chunk left out from that. Got it in here. It smells great. Alright. We can just throw it in there. Old Bay. I love Old Bay. Alright, zip it up, air it out. Alright, so we got it all aired out. And then I'm just gonna like move it around. I'm kind of just gonna like massage it in a little, because the redfish is flaky, so I don't want to mess up the meat, but I just want to make sure I get it all around, all through the meat. It's just beautiful right now. We're about to get down there and see if we can catch any fish. Those people down there, they were fishing. They're not anymore. But it's pretty great. If you haven't liked the video, feel free to go ahead and like the video, comment. I can't wait to actually catch a fish. Y'all can see the fish on the hook and everything. Feel free to subscribe. I have more videos coming out. I have another one that's editing right now. I've had a bunch of technical difficulties. So I'm working on editing this video. This is when I caught a bass in the creek. And so we have this video. I might make, this is actually gonna be the part 1. I'm gonna make a part 2 because it's gonna be so long. So yeah. Oh my God, that looks so dangerous. If anybody for some reason was ever on a roof they would die. There's like a spike strip on the roof. All right, I'm gonna get out there and go fishing. So stay tuned. Can we take a moment to enjoy this? All right, we're back out on the water. Y'all should look at this. It's awesome. It's really, really cool. Well, it is pitch black. I don't see anything. Tide is coming up. I've had to move my chair a couple times. I'm getting ready to move my sand spike back because I don't want to have to walk in waves to get to it. I don't think I've caught anything. I've just been sitting there for about 45 minutes. It's cold and dark. It's actually really cold. But okay, actually let's check it. The water came up. Jesus. Same old, same old. Thank you for watching the video. I'm recording this on day 2, so there's gonna be a day 2 and a day 3. But I wish I was able to catch a fish on camera. Tomorrow I'll be able to catch a fish on camera for day 2. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you thought of the video. I really want to know because I want to make them better. Also, feel free to share it if you thought this video was cool. Let me know what you thought of the video. Honestly, I still can't believe yesterday I said red drum instead of whiting or black kingfish. I like to use the term whiting. I don't know. But get ready for day 2 tomorrow, and then day 3 the day after that, and we'll be done with these surf fishing videos for now, at least for this trip. So much for watching. All right, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. All right, bye.